Today we are showing you how to replace the starter switch for Volkswagens. These starter switches often go bad. Here's an image of a bad or faulty starter switch. You can see these metal contacts on the back get bent. This is how to remove and replace.
Okay, we are replacing this ignition, the switch itself. When you would take it out the vehicle, it's going to look like that. Switch is on the side. The part number, it would be right there. Matches with this part number for the replacement. To disassemble and take this apart, you're going to need to hit 2 points. One right there, one right there. You're going to take your finger, put a little pressure up there, use the pick, slide it in, use the pick, slide it in, and just work your way gently. And the switch should just come out. There we are. Got a replacement switch. Line it up. And there you are.